Hello everyone, this is Sudesh Rani. Today we will discuss many interesting things about computer magic. We all know why computer is important for us, why we should learn computer, and we are not unfamiliar with the importance of and uses of computer. Today's world moves with a new kind of magic, the magic of computers. Computers magic for today. What once felt difficult or impossible is now simple and fast. With one click, we can learn, create, connect, and grow. Computers help students study better, help professionals work smarter, and help dreams become reality. From typing a small message to preparing big projects, everything become easy in seconds. This digital magic saves our time, increase our confidence, and opens door to new opportunities. Whether it is making an Excel sheet, designing fashion, or learning new skills, computer guide us at every step. Computer is not just a machine, it is a powerful friend for today's generation. The more we learn it, the more successful we become. Remember, computer is today's magic and tomorrow's future. Today we are living in a world where everything is changing very fast. In this changing world, one thing has completely transformed our life, and that is the computer. What people once called a machine, we now call magic. Because computers have the power to do things that human earlier could not even imagine. Think about our daily life. We wake up with alarms on our phones, we send messages, watch videos, attend online classes, pay bills, and even talk to people sitting far away. Behind all these activities, there is the silent magic of computers. They connect the whole world like one family. For students, computers are like a best teacher. They help in writing assignments, making projects, learning new courses, and exploring knowledge from the computer. Exploring knowledge from the internet with the help of computer. Difficult subjects become interesting when we learn them through digital tools. A child in a small village can now study the same content as a child in a big city. This is the real power of technology. Computers are also changing the way we work. Offices are running without paper, businesses are growing online, and new careers are being created every day. Skills like Excel, graphic designing, video editing, fashion designing, software, and digital marketing are giving youth the confidence to stand on their own feet. Not only education and jobs, computer also support creativity. A simple idea in the mind can become a beautiful design on the screen. Artists create posters, designers create dresses, and students create presentations, all with the help of these digital magic books. At ST Educational Foundation, this magic is converted into real skills. Students learn computer courses, fashion designing, and beautician training so that they can build a bright future. Here, technology is not just taught, it is experienced. Computer also teaches an important lesson that learning never stops. Every day, new software, new apps, and new opportunities come in front of us. The one who learns computers becomes ready for tomorrow. So we must not fear technology, we should make it our friend, because computer does not take jobs, it creates opportunities. It does not waste time, it saves time. It does not reduce creativity, it increases imagination. Let's remember, computer is more than a machine. It's today's magic, today's need, and tomorrow's power. Computer is the key that can open every door of success. Computer learning is a need, not choice. In today's digital world, learning computer is not a choice, it is a basic need. Just like reading and writing, computer knowledge has become an essential skill. Without computer learning, it is difficult to study, work, and grow in any field. Every job today demands digital knowledge and smart computer skills. Computer education gives confidence, independence, and new opportunities. The future belongs to those who understand technology. Learning computer means preparing yourself for tomorrow, not just for today. So remember, computer learning is not an option, it is a necessity of life. You should learn computer from anywhere. You can learn from any online platform, YouTube videos, and we also provide offline courses, ST Educational Foundation. Thanks for listening carefully and watching video. Like, share and comment. Thank you.